Hey everyone, this is Chief Meteorologist Brad Penrich with your Ski Southeast update. I'm kind of giddy and happy because it's a big ski weekend. I'm going skiing. We have snow falling, more snow on the way, cold temperatures, and just about everything you could imagine for a great weekend. If you're skiing tonight, and I'm recording this Sunday night, or later today, Martin Luther King Day, Monday, best conditions of the entire season. In fact, this week is looking amazing. Let me show you the good news tonight as I record this of Beech Mountain. Look at the snow falling, but also notice the snow guns going. You see all the rime ice on the trees, but it's snowing pretty good there right now. They're probably going to pick up 1 to 3 inches of snow by early Monday morning. It's brutally cold though. The Arctic air is spilling in, and we've actually got wind chill advisories, but boy, that's a great sign. That's at the summit. Sugar looks the same. Most of the resorts in the southeast, I just checked Snowshoe, Wisp is looking good, and Winter Place, unbelievable, all making snow and really pumping in some of that man-made as well as the natural stuff. There's the natural stuff on Futurecast. You see it last through early Monday morning, but it'll be cold enough that the snow guns can keep going all day Monday, all day Tuesday, all day Wednesday, and then look what happens. On Wednesday, I think we're going to see a little natural stuff. This little fast-moving system comes in from the west and could bring us a decent chance of more natural snow and a quick burst, maybe another 1 to 3, maybe as much as 4 to 6 up there towards Snowshoe. Here's a look at the snowfall forecast. You can see widespread, at least 1 to 3 in West Virginia early on, but then some 2 to 4, maybe 6-inch amounts from Wisp to Snowshoe. North Carolina, you're looking at a good 1 to 3 inch, but then that secondary system coming in on Wednesday could dump additional 1 to 3 inches. So natural snow, natural powder, on top of just ideal snowmaking conditions below freezing, not only below freezing, below zero in the mornings the next couple of days. So this is really an unbelievable pattern that we're in. We finally have turned this thing around, and this is the type of stuff that'll keep you going through the rest of the season. I really believe, even with a little bit of a warm-up on Wednesday, we should be fine. But here's what I'm watching for late week. If you follow me on Facebook or Twitter, you saw me hinting at this a little bit. We've got cold pattern, but watch this 500 millibar low and cold air. You see this thing cutting off? When I say 500 millibars, this is in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. Look at that storm system. Plenty cold enough here in the southeast. This is exactly what you want to see if you like snow in the southeast. That is a dream right there. By far the biggest looking event we've had so far this season. And even behind it is cold with northwest flow. Boy, this week could really end up being special if this unfolds. And if you want to really get excited, this is the European model looking at that same storm system. You see the natural snow on Wednesday into Thursday. Watch what happens Friday into Saturday. Kaboom. All right, Snowshoe, Wisp, Kanan Valley, Timberline. Oh my goodness, you're looking at 30 inches up there, maybe more. That would be unbelievable powder. Now again, this is long range, mind you. This is a long range model, but here's the GFS model. Very similar setup here. Look at the totals start to pile up after Thursday, and then watch what happens going into the weekend. Pretty similar, to be honest with you. So we've got 2 of our major models, the European and the GFS, kind of agreeing. I hate to jinx it. I think the shift of that storm track could be north or south. If it's any farther north, we're going to have to start worrying about warm air getting. If it shifts to the south, it means cold air, probably a little lesser amount for Wisp in West Virginia, but still, we're probably talking 1 to 2 feet, and then maybe more for North Carolina. So this is something really to get excited about, because unlike the last couple of close calls, we're going to have really cold air in place. The Arctic air is spilling in now, and it's going to set up shop. So we've got the cold air in place, and this is the first time we've had the cold air in place and a big storm heading our way all at the same time. So great week of skiing ahead, great ski weekend. I'm going to be heading out west. I'm leaving some of the best skiing in the east to go out west to Breckenridge. I'll be posting my update on Tuesday night from Breckenridge. As I learn about some weather and climate out there, we talk to some of the skiers and forecasters out there to try to get a handle for the rest of the winter, and hopefully I'll come back to even more snow and a Panthers victory next weekend. I hope you have a great week of skiing. Enjoy the slopes, best conditions so far, and always keep thinking snow. We've got a great pattern shaping up later this week.